Every galvo marker has the same ceiling, the lens. The working area is whatever the lens covers, and the biggest field you can normally get is about 300 by 300 millimeters. Need a bigger marking? You mark in sections, move the part, and hope the seams don't show. Our engineers remove that ceiling. This is the Wattsan FL GT, a gantry-type laser marker with a working field of up to 1 square meter. Today, I'll show you how it works and what it can do. This is the Wattsan channel. Subscribe to join our laser and CNC enthusiasts community, and let's start. Construction. How it works. So how did we get a field this big? Did we just put in a huge lens? No. And here's why that would be a bad idea. On any marker, the lens sets the trade-off. The smaller the lens, the thinner the beam, and the finer the detail you can mark. A bigger lens buys you area, but it costs you quality. The GT solves this with construction instead. The machine has a full bed with a working field from 60 by 60 centimeters up to 1 square meter. And if that's not enough, the factory can build a larger one on request. Above the bed sits a gantry that carries the laser scanner and moves it over the whole field, while it marks, continuously, with no stitching between sections. In practice, that means a 600 by 900 millimeter marking made with a 100 by 100 millimeter lens. Small lens detail on a large format area. At the same time, everything else, the electronics and the laser source, sits inside the bed. Only the movement modules are up top. Movement system. A thin beam is only as precise as the mechanics that carry it, so the movement system is built the way we build our metal cutting machines. Precision guide rails and ball screws on every axis. Ball screws are what gives the axes their accuracy. The same units work on the Wattsan 1309 Mini, a metal cutter precise enough to cut engine gaskets. Syntec servo motors in the base configuration. They give smooth, controlled movement, so the beam lands exactly where the file says. Together, ball screws plus servos bring positioning accuracy to plus 0.03 mm across the entire field. Laser sources. The GT is equipped with a source based on what your production needs. Fiber, Raycus, JPT, VPG Laser 1 from 20 to 300 watt. Ultraviolet, JPT Seal from 3 to 20 watt. RF Laser Tube, Davy from 20 to 60 watt. Depending on the type, the source sits inside the bed or up on the gantry. Scanner and lens. From the source, the beam goes into the galvo scanner. 2 motors with mirrors that steer the beam across the working area. The scanner defines 3 things: processing speed, positioning speed, and how many characters per second the machine can mark. In other words, this small unit decides how fast the whole machine works, so a good scanner matters. The base configuration comes with the SG7310. Processing speed, 8,000 millimeters per second. Positioning speed, 13,000 millimeters per second. Up to 540 characters per second. Need it faster or more precise? There are other scanner options. Our managers will help you pick one for your tasks. After the scanner, the beam passes through the f-theta lens, which focuses it into a fine dot. Every lens has 2 key numbers: focal length and field size. Field sizes range from 50 by 50 up to 300 by 300 millimeters, and any of these lenses works across the full field of the machine. Control system. The controller comes from Syntec, with dedicated Syntec marking software. This is the part that makes the whole gantry idea work. It marks while the axes move along X and Y. No gaps, no seams, no overlap between sections. The software also supports cutting and cleaning modes. More on that in a minute. A Windows PC comes with the machine, and there's a monitor right on the body, so you can prepare the next job in the graphic editor while the machine is marking the current one. What it can do. With a field this size, that opens up jobs a desktop marker physically can't take. Serial numbers, text, and QR codes on dozens of parts in a single run. Large format engraving of raster images. Uniform cleaning of large surfaces. Cutting thin sheet materials that makes it a machine for parts and medical equipment production. Advertising and signage, souvenirs. So that's the Wattsan FL GT. Small lens precision on a field of up to 1 square meter. plus 0.03 mm accuracy, and 1 continuous marking with no stitching. Questions? Leave them in the comments or write to us on Telegram and WeChat. We also support our clients with online and offline training. Our engineers will show you how to run this machine or any other from the lineup. This is the Wattsan channel. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Bye-bye.